Alrighty, so let's see. I'm in the mood for fish, so is my husband. Fish is good for diabetics, so I'm thinking, yeah, let's do it. But you can't keep making the same recipe over and over. So what I'm going to do, pardon my camera. Okay, so I'm going to marinate that fish in this sauce that I made with garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, fresh cilantro, and half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to rub that over the fish. Let's do that. So the plan is to make the fish separately, and afterwards I will make some vegetables and vegetable with some sauce, and after that I will serve it with some rice. This fish has everything on it already: lemon juice, garlic, salt, and the cilantro leaves, fresh cilantro leaves. And now it's cooking in olive oil. I'm going to cook both sides, but sear both sides, like 3 minutes on each, 2 to 3 minutes on each side. It has to be done nicely, like golden brownish from the bottom. Then I will turn it. If I try to turn it before that, I will break the fish. Always happens. Let's see how ready is the fish. Okay, this one is not attached to the pot. This one is still is. Okay. How about this one? This one is ready. Okay, so I'm going to turn those two. Even that I was so careful, I still managed to break a little piece here and there. But, overall it's okay. Alright, 3 of our fillets are out. One, I just put the last one in the pan. Then I will use the same pan to make my vegetables. For some reason, this one is relatively easy to cook. See how it's moving around? So, that's okay. The other 3 give me a little bit of hard time. Oops, that's my paper over there. Alright. So, I decided to multitask a little bit. While the fish is still cooking in the middle, I added my ginger, onion, and pepper to start cooking. Just, they will get a little soft by the time I add the vegetables. Okay, so I got, some leftover spices in there, like the garlic, or some dripping, something just to get started with the vegetables. I will love those flavors that are already in there. Adding a little bit of vinegar. This vinegar will give my vegetables a little bit of tanginess. Potatoes and carrots first. Going to saute them for a little bit. The mustard greens, tomatoes, some raw cashews, around 3 cups of water. 1, 2, a little bit salt in that water. That's it. Okay. Going to let that simmer for like 5 minutes. 1 teaspoon of pepper. Alrighty. When the food looks pretty, it does something to your appetite. When it looks good and it smells good, it does wonder for your appetite. And by the time it's cooking, all those aromas, they make you really hungry. That's the whole point of cooking. Oh, but the mess that this cooking is making. It's dropped so many. Oh, gotta clean up. Vegetables are simmering. Let's add some cilantro. And just keep it on this side. Okay. There you go. I'm going to cover the pot until the potatoes are soft. I will check back in 10 minutes. While my vegetables are cooking there nicely, I'm going to mix my handy dandy extra heat hot sauce that I can use with my food, and because I didn't add too much spices in for everybody, it's different. I like a little more, so I keep my sauce handy. This is green onions and garlic, uh, just a hint of garlic. 1 teaspoon, 2, 3, 4 teaspoons of dark soy. Mix it. This is optional. This is totally optional, not for everybody. A tablespoon of chopped peanuts. All right. With the last part, I have to be careful. Oh, that smells amazing. That smells amazing. Yum, bismillah. Our food is ready. That's my vegetables. If it gets a little watery, you can add whole wheat flour or cornstarch, whichever you prefer, to make it thicker. And my fish is ready and looks nice and yummy. And my handy dandy hot sauce. And I have my rice ready, so let me plate some fish and the vegetables for you. Don't mind me if I start drooling and making sloppy mess, because oh god, it smells so good. Alright, let me put some fish here too. Oh yum. If that is not comfort food, then what is? Please do tell me. How did I do? Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep coming up with better eating videos, a little healthier, and give me thumbs up. Tell me what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. Let me keep bringing yummy food to you. There you go. That is going to be the best dinner in a long time I had. I can't wait to dig in. So for now, everybody, bye bye. I gotta go. Yum.